Electric oven not heating? There are two heating elements inside your oven, the bake element at the bottom and the broil element at the top. Knowing which one failed tells you exactly what's wrong. Bake element, this is the main heating element at the bottom of your oven. It does 90% of the heating during normal baking. When it fails, the oven won't reach temperature at all. You might see a visible break in the coil, or it might glow unevenly with bright spots and dark spots. Sometimes you'll see sparking or blistering. Broil element, this is at the top of the oven. It heats from above for broiling. If only the broil function doesn't work but bake is fine, this element has failed. Cost to replace, bake elements run $150 to $250 installed. Broil elements are similar, sometimes slightly cheaper. The parts themselves cost $30 to $60. Most of the cost is labor because the oven needs to be partially disassembled. How long they last, 8 to 15 years depending on usage. Self-cleaning cycles accelerate element wear because they run at extremely high temperatures. If you use the self-clean cycle frequently, expect shorter element life. Visible signs of failure, look for cracks, breaks, blistering, or burn marks on the element. If the element has a hole or looks damaged, don't use the oven until it's replaced. Electric oven repair. All brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.